day in my life as an online business English trainer. Ayan, so English muna tayo dito guys. Kailangan natin kumita ng pera para pang sustento sa ating mga bisyo. Ayan, so bawal magtamad-tamaran guys, magastos tayo. So ayan guys, samahan niyo muna ako. Magtuturo muna tayo sa ating mga Japanese CEOs. Ayan, yes. So business English tayo dito guys. So, samahan niyo muna ako. Bye! Are you ready for our lesson? Okay, so before we begin, I'd like to ask you if you can see me or hear me clearly. Information. Okay, so let's proceed with the lesson 6. Alright. Number 2 question. Can you think of a company that has incorporated the Blue Ocean Strategy? I think they can actually imitate the product, but the entire idea or the top spices of the company, I think that it would be very hard for them to imitate. Would you agree? Alright, Cass, I'll give you your feedback. Thank you for sharing. Okay, so in the organization, I look into the setup of your ideas, the flow and the clarity of your presentation. Generally, you were able to present your ideas coherently and it was easy to follow. Alright, so in your content, I checked if you covered all the main points, if your explanations were detailed enough, and if you really understood the Blue Ocean Strategy. Okay, so your idea is very interesting and you provided details. In delivery, yes, yeah, but the way you say it runs naturally. With the delivery, I assessed your voice and speed. Okay, but there are just some words that you have to say it. I think you mispronounce it, but don't worry. I put it here in the chat box so you can have something to review in your PEDA, okay? But no worries about that. Your voice and speed, how engaging your tone was, and overall, you presented the ideas very well. Okay, effective and very engaging. Alright, Cass, you did a great job with our lesson for today.